Hi there, it's Miss Mason here. We just learned that flowers make seeds. That's so cool. Those seeds make new plants. Sometimes part of a flower can turn into a fruit or a vegetable using the seeds that grow inside. So very cool. So seeds can grow the fruit and vegetables that we eat or that we find at our grocery store. All of those fruits and vegetables started from seeds. Awesome job. Remember in our story, we read about seeds. This picture shows us a picture of a flower. There's a fruit forming where the flower used to be. Vegetables also form from flowers. Pretty cool. In our story, it said parts of the flower turn into fruit. Seeds grow inside the fruit. New plants grow from seeds. So today we're going to be looking at zucchini. Can you say zucchini? Zucchini. Great job. These pictures show how a zucchini grows. First, a bud grows on the end of the stem. So on the end of a stem, a little bud grows and it's closed. It's not a flower just yet. It's closed, so it's called a bud. Can you say bud? Bud. Good job. Then the bud blooms into a flower. Do you see the beautiful yellow petals of our flower? Yes, this is a zucchini flower. Next, the flower starts to grow into a zucchini. It grows into a zucchini. The zucchini has seeds on the inside. Do you see the seeds inside the zucchini? Those seeds grow into new plants. Let's look at these pictures together and put them in order to show how a zucchini grows from a flower. So let's see. First, it starts off as seeds. We plant the seeds and it starts to bud. It grows taller and taller, and then it forms a flower. Yep. And then the fruit begins to form. Do you see the long zucchini here? There's still a little bud on the end, but it's forming the zucchini. And when it's ripe, it's a zucchini. All right. Let's take a look one more time at the bud of a zucchini. This is the flower bud on a zucchini plant. Now we can see the flower opening up in the next picture. Do you see the flower opening up? And then in the next picture, it shows the flower dying off and a zucchini that's starting to form and starting to grow. And finally, this shows us a whole zucchini that is formed from the flower. Now let's take a look at another kind of thing that grows, another food that grows from a seed to a flower and then into a plant. Let's take a look. We have a pumpkin. This is a small pumpkin bud. It's growing and it starts off as a bud. Do you see the flower bud coming off of the vine here? Then what happens next? The flower blooms. This flower looks very similar to a zucchini flower. A zucchini flower is a little bit more orange and a pumpkin flower is a little bit more yellow. Then next in our pumpkin growth, we have it starting to grow its fruit. Do you see the pumpkins here? They're small, so they aren't ripe yet. And then finally, a big pumpkin grows. And what's on the inside of our fruit there? Pumpkin seeds. And when we plant this pumpkin seeds, it grows into even more pumpkins. Awesome job learning all about how seeds grow into flowers, which grow into fruits.